Well, Indiana officials are investing more than $100 million to expand mental health services.
Yeah, that includes the upcoming launch of a mental health crisis hotline. Fox 59 State House reporter Kristen Eskow shows us how the state is hoping to meet the growing need for these services.
Well, Dan and Burchell, you can think of it as the mental health version of 911. Starting Saturday, anyone in the country can just pick up their phone, dial 988, and be connected with a trained crisis specialist. Indiana officials say they're ready as they also launch other initiatives to get more Hoosiers mental health services.
Recovery Centers of America opened this treatment facility on the north side of Indianapolis in late 2020, months after the pandemic began. Just last month, it expanded beyond addiction recovery to offer other mental health services.
We knew that needed to be expanded when not just overdoses were increasing, but also suicide rates and the occurrence of mental health disorders.
Stephanie Anderson says it's estimated half of all Americans are struggling with a mental health issue. And in Indiana, it's possible that number is even higher.
And we also know that, unfortunately, Indiana has a high suicide rate compared to the rest of the country.
Indiana officials hope the new 988 mental health crisis hotline will make an impact. It connects callers to counselors with the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline.
But by making this an easy 3-digit number, more individuals will reach out for help when they need it.
To handle the increased volume, officials invested about $50 million in federal funding toward the 988 launch and increased the state's suicide prevention call centers from 3 to 5. Indiana call centers reportedly answer about 75% of in-state calls to the Lifeline. The rest go to a national backup line. The goal is to have in-state counselors answering 90% of Indiana calls by this time next year.
From our perspective, the time and the work that we've been doing since 2019 with the centers, I think, has prepared us as well as we can be.
The 988 Lifeline is one of several new federally funded mental health initiatives the state has launched, including a new program expanding counseling services at pediatricians' offices.
We know that about 300,000 kids in the state of Indiana are currently suffering from these conditions, and we as a state have to do better.
Now, state lawmakers have said they're looking into ways to increase funding for the 988 hotline and further expand mental health services in Indiana in the future. In the newsroom, Kristen Eskow, Fox 59 News.